Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a room tour of the Quinta Inn and Suites, North Phoenix, the one on Greenway Parkway. This is the room with 2 double beds, non-smoking, first floor. It's got 2 double beds in the room. Dresser with a flat screen TV. Nightstand with alarm clock. Desk with a chair, phone. Sitting chair. Coffee maker. Vanity is outside the bathroom. And the shower top combination in the restroom. I would say this property is very dated and in need of updating. As you can see, the tub is not in the best shape. Counter's pretty old. And the carpet is pretty stained. And as you can see, the chair is pretty worn too. I probably would not recommend this hotel if you're in the Phoenix area. I'd probably look for something a little bit more updated. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow along for more videos to come.